Hey guys, it's Nick here at Victory Auto Wreckers. So I've heard in the comments that you guys wanted a destruction video. So I put together a video of what goes on in the back of Victory Auto Wreckers. Plus, if you watch all the way to the end of the video, you will see a little bit more destruction at the end. So stay tuned. As you're watching, you're going to see how the Scorpion is used in action. We must remove the aluminum engine before we send the car to the crusher. Once the engine is removed, the car is placed into the car crusher. Now you get to see how we crush cars up close. Whoops, looks like we dropped the caravan. Isn't crushing cars so satisfying to watch? If you'd like to see more, let us know in the comments, and please like the video if you would like to see more car crushing videos from Victory Auto Wreckers. I hope nobody was looking for parts for that Suburban. Oh man, another car slipped. At least the car stuck the landing though.